welcome to Annano. Respected principal, teachers, all my dear friends. Today, November 14th, I wish you a happy Children's Day. Do you know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? He is the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th November 1889. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because of his love towards children. And you call him Chachaji. Chachaji once said to his children, tomorrow's son. I love Chachaji very much. And you call him Chachaji. Let's enjoy. Buds in the garden. We are buds in the garden. We are stars in the curry. We are children. We want to share Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are lights in the darkness. We are foot of the nation. We are children. We want to share Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.